this video, I'll be showing you how to blur your video background like this. You can see that this video background is blurred. This is the initial background, the main background. You can see that it's not blurred. But after editing it, it became blurred like this. So I'll be showing you how to do something like this. Blur your video background. This works for any kind of video. Let's get started. Step 1 is to open CapCut. So you can download CapCut from Play Store or from Apple Store. When you download it, you open CapCut. CapCut is a free app. Step 2, click on New Project and import the video you want to blur the background. So we'll be using this video. Click on Add. After adding this video to your CapCut, you tap on the video. Scroll left on this menu bar and click on Duplicate or Copy. We have duplicated this video. We have this one and this one. It is important for you to understand that if the video you want to change its background needs editing, before you duplicate, make sure you have finished editing your video. Edit it properly, then export it, then bring it back again into CapCut and then duplicate it. So we have two videos here. So you go to the end of the first video, click on Effects, click on Video Effects, search for Blur. You're going to see different blur effects here. You can select one. Let's select this one. You can see that the video is blurred. So after you have selected it, you click on this good icon. Then you stretch this blur effect to cover the entire video. So it covers this entire video. But for this second one, it does not cover it. Now that you have blurred this first video, you come to this second one that you duplicated. Tap on it. Scroll and look for Overlay. Tap on Overlay. Then drag it to the end of the video. You can see it. What this simply means is that you now have two videos, one on the other. You tap on this video that you just overlaid. Look for Remove BG. Tap on it. Click Auto Removal. So this is going to remove the background of this video and it will carry the background of the blurred video. Click on Auto Removal. Can you see? Then you click on this good icon. It is advisable to film your video in a plain background so that when you are removing the background, there won't be any form of distortion. But for this is perfect. The background removal worked perfectly. So you can see that we now have a blurred background. Can you see? So if you want to work on the blurriness, maybe you want to increase it or reduce it, you simply go back, tap on Effects. You can see the blur effect here. You tap on it, click on Adjust, then you can adjust the blurriness to what you want. Then you click on this good icon. Now you can see that this video has been blurred. So this is how you can blur any video using CapCut. Just follow the steps. Make sure that you have edited the video properly. Then you export it and import it again. Duplicate it. Blur the first one. Then overlay the second one on the blurred one. And remove the background of the overlaid video. So this is how to achieve blurring your video background. At this point, you click on Export. And your video will be exported into your phone. You can now send it or use it for any purpose that you want. Thank you, and I hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to our channel, like, and share this video.